President Emmerson Mnangagwa's State of Nation address, SONA, was dramatically interrupted yesterday by a power cut inside Zimbabwe's parliament, a humiliating spectacle captured live as the head of state was forced to read by flashlight. Power cut disrupts Mnangagwa's State of the National address amid Chivhayo scandal fallout. Do subscribe or like on the bell icon. The blackout has triggered national outrage, especially given that the country spent more than $23 million on a now notorious Rwanda solar project, a solar project that 10 years later has 0 solar panels installed and is the subject of ongoing corruption investigations into businessman Chivhayo. Wigno received $5 million in 2015 under the contract to construct a 100 megawatt solar power plant. The payout, upgraded in recent years by another $18 million has produced nothing but shadows. While the nation sinks deeper into an energy crisis, Chivhayo has flaunted extreme wealth, chartering private jets, dishing out luxury cars, and building mansions, all while the country burns candles during presidential speeches. A viral image now shows Mnangagwa sitting in the dark, aided only by a portable light, as he struggled to complete his speech in what critics are calling a state of darkness address. Social media erupts. The presidency photographer Cleopas Mnangagwa responded with a bold Facebook post blaming the opposition, writing, "The opposition can turn off the lights, but they can't stop resolution number 1. This sparked a firestorm of responses from both citizens and ZANU-PF sympathizers, many of whom sarcastically are angrily rebuked the attempt to shift blame. Doma developments are critical in Zimbabwe. So I'm going in the video, that picture, the president is hardly trying to read and who finish a speech yake akaisirwa torch yamurikona portable light. Zvinozoratidza kuti neZimbabwe under ZANU-PF apana kwatiri kuenda. The administration iradzoti yakonewa. Pindai mukome section medu za ufunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvira kome section medu, subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.